How to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to check recently deleted folder. For that, launch your Photos app. Now scroll all the way down. Here you're gonna find this section of utilities. Under that, you're gonna find the option deleted. Click on that. Your Face ID will be enabled or you'll need to type in your phone's passcode. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find all the deleted items that can be recovered. Photos will be auto-deleted only after 30 to 40 days. If they are gone from here, you can try out next solution, restore from iCloud backup. For that, launch settings, click on the Apple ID given at the very top. Now navigate to the option iCloud. Click on the option Manage Storage. Now click on the option iCloud Photos. Enable for the option Sync this iPhone. Then you can head back. Now click on iCloud Backup. Now enable for these options, backup this iPhone, backup over cellular, then click on backup now. Once you have backup all of your data, you can head back. Now scroll down, navigate to the option general, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on erase all content and settings, and go through the process. After the phone restarts, choose restore from iCloud backup, sign in and select the appropriate backup. So this way you can recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.